Creating a Bybit account is a simple process that allows you to start trading cryptocurrencies. Here's how to do it. Visit the Bybit website. Go to the Bybit website at bybit.com. Sign up for an account. On the homepage, click Sign Up in the top right corner. You'll be prompted to enter your email address and create a password. Alternatively, you can sign up using a Google or Apple account. Agree to terms and conditions. After entering your details, read and agree to Bybit's terms of service and privacy policy. Click Sign Up to proceed. Email verification. Bybit will send the verification email to the address you provided. Open the email and click the verification link to confirm your account. Enable two-factor authentication. For added security, it's highly recommended to enable two-factor authentication. You can use an app like Google Authenticator or Authy to set it up. Complete KYC. Depending on the features you want to access, you may need to complete Know Your Customer verification by submitting identification documents. Fund your account. After setting up, deposit funds into your Bybit account and start trading.